Hi, this is Hi, this is Tiffany, and welcome back to Tea with Tiffany, where I share daily financial wisdom and trendy market analysis. Remember to like and share and leave your tea and comments down below. So, on to the daily financial wisdom of the day. In this business, if you're good, you're right 6 out of 10 times. You're never going to be right 9 out of 10. And that's my daily financial wisdom of the day. So what we're going to do, we're going to quickly move over to our charts. And as usual, we're going to pick up with EUR USD to make sure we're still trading within the trend. Okay, so this particular market was a buy market. We have our buy order in. The market is a little sluggish. We're just waiting to see if the market is going to rally. So it's just a waiting game, friends. GBP USD. This is a market that we bought. It has rallied. We're skimming off the top. Like I tell you, friends, every day, pay yourself first, okay? Go ahead and skim off the top. USD, CHF. This particular market is a sell market. We dropped in our sell order a while ago, so we're just skimming off the top. USD, JPY. Okay, this is another sell market. We dropped in our sell order a couple of days ago, about a week or so ago. So we're just pulling off profits off the top of that one. EURCHF. This is another buy market we're just skimming off the top of. EURGBP. This, friends, is a sell market. Okay, this is a sell market. Okay, we're going to look at EURJPY. This is a sell market as well. Okay, friends, we placed a sell stop order in, but the market has never pulled down. So we're going to wait and see if what happens in the morning, how the market rallies. But we do have our sell stop order in. So in the event that the market should pull down, we got our order in there. Okay, but right now it's doing some pullbacks. So we're going to wait and see. GBP CHF. This is also a buy market. We're just skimming off the top. GBP JPY. This is another buy market. We're just skimming off the top. We placed our trades long time ago, a couple of months, long time ago. So we're just pulling off the top. Also, a word to the wise, we have a stop loss in at our entry point. So in the event that there's some major pullbacks, we have a stop loss at our entry point. It'll knock us out the market and we're out. Okay, CHF, JPY. This is also a sell market. Pullbacks are happening in this market here, friends. So we had a sell order in here, but the pullbacks were significant enough that it actually knocked we had a stop loss in our entry point that it actually knocked us out the market. So we're out of the market for right now. We're going to wait and see if these pullbacks create a trend change. Okay, moving on to our oil market. So we're going to bring up our charts here. Okay, so we're going to start with Brent crude and take a look at this particular market. Okay, so friends, we do not, I just wanted to pinpoint there are certain markets that we're not going in this trade with a sell. As you can see, the green line, the 50-period moving average line is in between the 200 and the 500. Whenever that 50-period moving average moves in that middle, we do not trade. We do not place any new trades in this arena, in this area here. Sell this, if you're going to get into the market, we would place it up here where the red shading began, which was back in July 27, something like that, around that time frame. You would have wanted to get in there when that shading turned from blue to red. You would want to have dropped in your sell order there and ride it all the way down, as you can see. But if you got in after the fact, where the 50-period moving average has moved into this zone here between the 200 and 500, stay out of that market. We're actually waiting for the green 50-period moving line to move underneath this blast, I guess it's like a this aqua blue line here. So we're waiting for that line to our 50 period moving average to move underneath this line. When it does, then we will drop in another sell order. But until then, friends, we're out of this market. So that goes for Brent crude. And let's take a look at WTI crude. The same thing pertains to this oil market, friends. So we're not going to be doing anything in Brent crude, Brent spot, WTI crude, and WTI spot, okay? Nothing in those markets because that is the scenario with all of those oil markets. Okay, so we're going to move on to Bitcoin. This is always another interesting chart for people, okay? This particular market, as you can see, let's take a look at Bitcoin here, okay? Okay, so this particular market for Bitcoin is still a sell market. So the 50 period moving average is underneath both the 200 and the 500. We see that the shading here is red, so this is still a sell market. So we have our sell order in there and we're just pulling from the top. Okay. So moving on to our next market, which is ETH USD. This particular market is also still selling. It doesn't have much volatility here in this market, but it's still a sell market. LTC USD. This is also a buy market. We have our buy order in there and we're just skimming off the top. Okay, we're going to take a look at silver. So we're going to bring our chart back up here and we're going to take a look at silver. Okay, so here we go, friends. So we can see here that the blue line here, we see the shading. We see the 50 period moving average is underneath the 200 and the 500. But when the shading moves from red to blue, the trend changes. So that's why I tell you guys, you know, when the trend change, we change. So when the trend change, we put in our buy order. And so we ride that buy order until the shading turns back red. Okay, friends, just as simple as that. The market tells you when the trend changes. When the trend changes, we change. Okay, so let's get on back to our next chart, which is silver. I'm sorry, not silver. We're going to take a look at gold. Okay, gold is a buy market. So we had a buy trade in there. It's doing a little pullback, but it's still a buy market, okay? USD MXN. This is a sell market. Some major pullbacks are happening in this market here. Hopefully you had your stop loss at your entry point. So because of the pullbacks, it would have knocked you out the market. You would have kept you would have been skimming off the top, and then when the pullback happened, it knocked you out, okay? EURNOK. This market here is a sell market, friends. Major pullbacks are happening within this sell market. So if you're going to get in this market, make sure sell stop orders only or wait till the trend changes. EURZAR. Okay, this is another buy market. We placed that, I guess, a week ago or something like that. So we're just pulling from the top. USDNOK. I think before we go to, we're going to take a look at this EURZAR chart real quick. Okay, so let's take a look at this EURZAR. As we can see, the 50 period moving average is above both the 200 and the 500. We see that the shading